Let's see what's up at the treehouse.
Joey, hinugasan ko pala itong mga science equipment mo ha. Huwag ka mag-alala, iningatan ko yan ng sobra.
Oh, thanks, Melt. That was a huge help. How should I arrange these?
Ang bilin sa akin ni Mama, kapag nagtatago ng gamit, maganda na ilagay sa madaling abutin yung mga gamit na mas madalas mong ginagamit.
Ah, yes, that sounds very efficient. I frequently use these beakers and test tubes, so I'll put them right here where I can easily reach them. And for the rest, they can go here.
Ayos!
Good job, everyone.
Now everything looks nice and clean.
But cleaning up doesn't end here.
It doesn't? But we put away all the trash and even cleaned up all the dust.
Well, there's something else you have to remember to keep the treehouse clean.
Opo. Ang sabi ni Papa, ang susi para hindi maging madumi ang workstation ay mag-clean as you go.
What does that mean, Melt?
Kapag nagluluto kasi, dapat hindi mo pababayaang madumi ang kusina. Kung makagawa ka ng dumi, ay dapat linisin mo agad. At kung hindi na kailangan ng mga ingredient, ay dapat itabi mo ito agad sa tamang lagayan.
Oh, okay. I get it. I see how you can apply this concept to keeping our treehouse clean. What you mean is to immediately clean up any mess made, right, Melt?
Tama.
Oh, and to keep my things back where they belong once I'm done using them. Yes, that makes sense.
We can definitely do that here. I like it. Clean as you go. We should make a sign.
Great idea, Art! How does that look?
PJ, maganda nga dyan.
Perfect!
Well, that is a nice reminder, and it should keep us from making too much of a mess at the treehouse. Yep, that kind of mess wouldn't happen again. Cleaning all that was hard.
Oo nga, pero pwede na ba natin ituloy yung laro natin? Gusto ko kasi malaman ang ending ng story eh.
Yeah, there should be no more incidents now that everything is clean. Let's go!
Once upon a time, the beautiful princess of Wordtown was taken by a large lion.
Oh, please, help!
Now, a brave knight and a medieval scientist are venturing into the dark and scary forest to save her.
We're going to save the princess! Ha! I can make the lion sleepy with this potion. Once he's weak, you can attack him.
Hindi niyo makukuha ang prinsesa! Ah!
Wait, stop! This princess doesn't want everyone to fight. Listen, everyone, maybe the lion, maybe he's just hungry.
Yeah, that's why he took the princess. He's going to eat you.
No, but what if he's a good lion? Look at him. You're a good lion, aren't you?
Oo, pwede naman ako maging mabuting leon, pero gutom na ako!
Oh, don't worry. A friend of mine happens to be very good at cooking.
Mukhang masarap yan ah! Yum.
See? Now everyone can be friends. I like this story better.